Hey G-Shock fans, JK76, formerly JKY Huang 88, here with another unboxing. As you can see, right here, very nice. It is the GA2100 BWP 2ADR, a Casioak. Before I get into that, actually, I'd like to get into what's behind the Casioak here. This is actually a gift that came along with the watch I bought from gshock Australia. Some of the items they gave me for this order. Pretty cool. Not sure what it is actually. I have a quick look. Looks like some stickers. Pretty cool stickers. And let's have a look here. Some instruction, warranty card. Oh, cool. And a discount card from purchasing from the gshock Australia. Yeah. What else was there? Also, what's this? Looks pretty cool. That's a nice bag, cotton cloth bag they gave me as well. Really nice, really great gift. Thank you, gshock Australia. And also this big thing behind. Yeah, as you can see. Zoom out. It is a watch case. Really cool case there. It was a limited edition item when you purchase a watch with gshock Australia. Really nice, well-made case. Look at that. Pretty cool. You can fit up to, well, 12 watches. If I had to chuck on one of these watches, just to see. This is the GS. Let's quickly check it on. Yeah, really cool case from gshock. Comes with a key. It locks up here. Got a KO handle. Yeah, gshock, absolute toughness. Yeah, great item. All right, let's get into this. gshock unboxing. Just the usual item, warranty card, module 5611. Really cool can that comes with it. Let's put that aside. Okay, let's go give it 1 sec. There you go. Really cool. white porcelain or white Chinese porcelain style Casioak. See the porcelain style marbling on the watch there. Really cool design. Obviously the Casioak or the GA 2100, quite popular right now. And you can see on the back, got the patterns there. I think it's the dragon patterns there. So GA 2100, BWP. Just quickly throw on the wrist. See what it looks like. Yeah. Wow, it looks really cool. The white background. And silver clasp there. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the Casio porcelain Chinese style G-Shock. Thanks guys.